Ginagawa ho ba talaga yon? Yung parang water training para po sa mga basketballista?
There are some there are some teams who does that, but very seldom. But ang alam ko lang, mostly in the swimming pool. If
Hmm.
ever sa beach, meron din tatakbo sa beach, but wala naman siguro kasamang swimming, especially in this case na doon sa Baler, that's a surfers paradise, I believe. So,
Mhm, yes.
talaga, especially at this season, malalakas din ang alon dyan for surfing, no? So, I do not see, but I believe reading from so many that are coming out now sa social media, mukhang matagal na silang pabalik-balik dyan, no? At meron pa nga isang nagkwento, former player din ng Ateneo yon,
Mhm.
about the case of Babylonia na muntik ding malunod na sagip lang ni Coach Tabaldwin. So, kung matagal na nilang ginagawa yan at binabalikan, so it's really just a matter of time na merong disgrasyang mangyayaring ganon, no? So,
Mhm, mm.
sa swimming, pwede swimming sa swimming pool, no? Lalo na doon sa mga pool na mahahaba, what we call lap pools, na 4 feet lang ang ano niya, ang depth niya. So pang strengthen talaga yan. And that's pool training is usually given to athletes na nagkaroon ng injuries sa knees or sa tiil, sa paa, no? So that's what I know of. But
Mhm.
yeah,
Opo.
so yeah, some do that. Some do it, yeah.
Mhm. Pero 'di ba po dapat, sir, meron po mga kumbaga may medics, may rescue team na nagkaantabay. Ito'y alinsunod na rin po ano sa memorandum sa circular ng CHED. Pero sa nangyari po, parang wala po silang medics on the ground.
Oo, mukhang ayaw ni Coach Tab Baldwin makita ng mga kalaban yung training methods niya, eh, no?
Oh. Mhm, mhm.
Yes, I'm sure they have videos of how they do their training. I'm pretty sure of that, no? Videos and photographers. So I think ipakita, i-explain niya. But what I'm really surprised at Angel, no, and Sandler,
Yes, sir.
Mhm, yes
Opo.
po.
is up to now, may narinig na ba kayo from
Baldwin,
the
wala.
most responsible force ni Tab Baldwin or, you know?
Mhm.
Wala eh, di
Wala
ba?
pa po. Mhm.
Baka ho
Yeah.
kasi, opo Coach Mon, baka ho kasi merong legal repercussion kung magsasalita siya. Kung halimbawa, haharap siya dun sa pamilya ni Baterbonia at
Mhm.
sabihin niya, sorry kasi
Oo.
kasalanan ko.
Kumbaga magte-take na
Opo,
accountability.
baka ho siya ay kumbaga alam niyo po yun maka-apekto ho sa investigasyon eh.
Well, I don't know about the law that ano niya, no? Tungkol diyan sa law, sa tungkol
Mhm.
nitong mga pangyayaring to, no? But yeah, I'm sure, maybe, most probably, no?
Mhm.
As advised by their lawyers, no? But para sa akin, personal opinion ko, we haven't, for one, we haven't heard of what really happened, no?
Mhm, mhm.
Kung ano talaga everything, no? That's why they are investigating it. We hope na lumabas kaagad ang invitations para makita natin talaga. Somebody has to be held responsible, no?
Mhm.
And for that, heads must roll in this case, no?
Opo.
To athletes na grabe ang potential, ang future, nasawi lang dahil sa ganitong klaseng training uh, na ginawa nila, no? So, as I said, heads must roll and somebody must be held responsible.
Opo. Sir Mon, dapat na po bang mag-resign ASAP itong si coach at hindi na kumbaga parang patawan po siya ng lifetime ban?
That's for him to decide, really, Angel, no? As I said, uh, yeah, heads must roll. So, he should take it upon himself, I suppose, no?
Mhm.
Uh, then again, uh, inistudyuhan pa siguro nila kung anong mga legal implications nga, no? So we don't know what they're thinking. But ilang araw na ba? Wala pa rin word from the people who are holding the training there, no?
Mhm. Sabi niyo po, sermon, na heads must roll. Kabilang ho ba rito yung Ateneo?
Depende sa investigation nila kung kaninong the most responsible people for this, no? I'm sure makikita nila yan sa investigation sila.
Opo. Sir Mon, sinasabi po ni former Philippine Sports Commission Chairman William Butch Ramirez, dapat daw po ay mag-withdraw ang Ateneo sa UAAP participation ngayong season dahil nga po sa nangyaring insidente. Ano po ang reaksyon nyo dito?
Well, I tend to agree or at least bibigyan ko ng importansya ang sinasabi ng chairman ko sa PSC in our term, no? Because he himself was Ateneo coach sa Davao, Ateneo de Davao. He was a coach there for some years, no? So, and he is more familiar with pamamalakad ng mga Hisweta, no? So, I tend to agree with him, no? There were not insinuations, there were suggestions na mag-lay off ng 1 year man lang sa UAAP ang Ateneo or something like that, no? But that's really up to the school to decide, no? Or the management, the Ateneo people mismo, the priests and all that.
Opo. Bilang dati hong commissioner po ng PSC, meron ho bang mandato ang PSC para po manghimasok dito sa ganitong kaso? Ano pa lang naman ho sila, collegiate basketball pa lang?
Yes, in some way merong say. I don't know lang as far as the legal side is concerned, ano.
Opo.
Hindi namin napag-aralan yan dahil wala namang case na similar to this that happened. But definitely, PSC having the mandate to for sports development in the country, dapat may say din talaga dapat kung ano, no, ang suggestions kung anong dapat gawin.
Opo. Sir Mon, balikan ko lang yung sinasabi na na panukala pa lang naman na hindi mo na lumahok ang Ateneo sa UAP ngayong season. Ang sinasabi po kasi ng iba, parang unfair din naman ito doon sa mga ibang players na wala naman pong kinalaman kasi kumpara, Sir Mon, parang sumusunod lamang sila sa orders ng kanilang coach.
Exactly, that's also a point to consider, no? That's why I said heads must roll. Siguro sa coaching staff lang muna siguro, no? Depending on the outcome of the investigation, kung how deep, kung anong, you know. But para sa akin, sa tingin ko, the most responsible people for this is the coach and the coaching staff, no? Sila ang nagde-design ng training sessions, no? Training program. So they are the most responsible for this, no? Yeah, I think hindi kailangan ng school go out sa UAAP, but that's really the decision of the school already how far they want to go, no? Opo.
Bilang El Presidente, at sir, anong height po ninyo? Yung official sa record? 6'5" ba?
6'5".
6'5", ayan, 6'5".
Now 6'5".
Opo.
Right? Going into the last, I guess, 5 or 6 years in my career, naging 6'5" ako. I started at 6'4" when I was 20 years old. So, tumangkad pa ng 1 inches. 1 inch, rather.
Opo.
1 inch.
Opo, kung ganun po, MVP, at kayo po ay may 19 PBA titles pa, one of the greatest po, no, in our PBA history. Effective ba yung ganung mga training po o meron po kayong ibang, kumbaga, estilo para po mas humusay po ang ating mga atleta? Kayo po, on your personal experience?
All these programs that they are doing, this is basically for pang physical lang yun, no? Physical conditioning.
Opo.
And maybe for mental toughness to improve the camaraderie of the team, no? For the team to gel, magkakaibigan, magkakilala yung mga teammates, no? mga players. That is also very important. But it has something to do with the ability, considering that the athletes will be physically in top shape, no?
Mhm. Mhm.
So still, it's in the basketball training pa rin ang pinaka-key sa lahat, no? So makakatulong din yung mga ganyan, as I said, no? Para sa camaraderie and the physical fitness of the team. But as far as the physical fitness side of the team, there are other ways of doing that, no?
Opo, pero para sa inyo, dapat na po bang ipagbawal yung open sea training? Kasi nga po, hindi naman po swimming, yung kanilang sinasalihan, bagkus basketball. Dapat na po bang amyendahan yung mga ganitong patakaran, Sir Mon?
Nasa coach na yan eh. Hindi na dapat, wala na dapat law na ganyan siguro, or common sense na lang gagamitin ng coach dyan eh. Diba?
Opo, tama. Mhm.
Common sense lang yan.
Opo. Doon ho naman sa pagresponde po ng Ateneo, doon ho sa pamilya, sa ngayon po ang sinagot pa lamang ay yung parang funeral pa lamang ho. Mukhang nakukulangan po yung pamilya, no, doon po sa ganung tulong. Kung kayo po ay mag-mediate sa ganitong sitwasyon, ano ho sa palagay ninyo bilang former PSC commissioner yung dapat pong gawin ng school?
That's a tricky situation, no? Tricky issue. Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Opo. We understand po.
It's really up to the sponsors of the team, no? The alumni who are supporting the team. It's really up to them, no? Puro mayayaman, napakayaman, mga multimillionaires and billionaires naman yung mga sponsors nila. So they might be able to come up with a really good package to help the family, no? I think sa Davao na yata nakatira yung pamilya nila,
Yes,
no? Like,
opo.
I heard stories, I don't know how true it is, baka narinig ko lang sa mga marites din na papag-aralin daw libre lahat ng mga kapatid niya, and a certain amount of money will be given to the family. I don't know, I just read it in social media, and for sure, hindi natin alam kung ano ang totoo or not. We have to hear it from them, really.
Sa antas naman po ng pamahalaan, Sir Mon, ano po yung mga polisiya or mga programa na dapat pampalakasin para po maprotektahan itong mga kapakanan po ng tinatawag nating mga student athletes?
Yeah, siguro that's where the PSC will come in now, having the mandate to oversee grassroots sports development in the country, to have some rules and to follow regarding this, no? But as I said, common sense na kasi yan para sa mga coaches and trainers, no? Na bakit sasabak niyo sa delikado ang mga atleta niyo sa mga training niyo na pwede naman nating ma-achieve ang the best physical shape that we want our athletes to be in, no? There are so many ways of doing it, no? Most sports complexes now, they have swimming pools, track ovals, weights room. That's basically just what we need, no? But more importantly, it's the competition that I feel is lacking, no? Especially for the young ones, the young kids, the mga 10 to 15, 16-year-olds, yun ang kulang sa competition eh. And it's really competition that makes an athlete improve, no? Give them not just once a year competition like the Batang Pinoy or the Philippine National Game, once a year lang, although they have regionals. But what I suggested, what I did during our time, being the overall overseer of the Visayas program of the PSA during our time, I started Visayas Games, no? Where every quarter merong competitions from, namili ako ng 12 sports, 12 Olympic, mostly individual sports, at meron kaming quarterly competitions, no? So aside from the training, hindi pwede yung training ka the whole year tapos isang taon lang, isang buwan, 2 buwan lang ang competitions, no? Sayang. So that's why competition really is what improves athletes, no? That's why I designed that competition. Every quarter merong tournament, no, ang mga bata. So as I said, as far as the training program, nasa coach na yan, sa mga trainers na yan, hindi naman mahirap isipin masyado yon how to get these guys, these kids in top shape. No?
Opo. Sir Mon, siguro last on my part, sa tingin niyo po may epekto po ito sa mga atleta po natin, sa mga future NBA players na baka magduda po sila, matakot, mag-alinlangan, sumali sa mga ganito. Kasi nga syempre, ano sila, kumbaga may pangarap
Baka
sila eh.
matroma.
Oo, na-trauma. Tingin niyo may epekto po ito, Sir Mon?
Para sa akin, magiging positive ang effect niyan. I'm sure they will be asking more questions, no? Dapat magtanungin, questionin nila ang coaching staff nila, ang coach and coaching staff nila regarding the training program, no? Alamin nila, 'di ba? I'm sure makikita din naman nila kung kung delikado, 'di ba? Ang sistema na gagawin nila.
Opo. Siguro po, bago po namin kayo pawalan, opo, El Presidente, ano ang pinagkakaabalahan niyo po ngayon, sir? This is on a personal note na lamang.
Yes. We are. I am engaged now. I have a company. This into solar. No? We install commercial and industrial solar setups all over the country. No, we are doing that right now, and I'm proud to say that our biggest client now is the SM Group, SMPPI. We've installed about 30 megawatts already to about close to 22 malls all over the country. And of course, Pure Gold, we are also doing that. No, we're starting to do that for Pure Gold. I've been in this business since 2015 when I started that. So my company is one of the companies that has the most experience really as far as industrial and commercial setups, mga roof systems, no, for malls and factories and warehouses that's needing a lot of power.
And sir, since 2026 pala yung PBA Finals MVP trophy ay ipinangalan po sa inyo, Ramon Fernandez Trophy.
Galing.
Yes, salamat. You want me to show you the trophy?
Sige,
Sige
sir,
po,
andyan
sige
ba?
po.
Andyan ho ba sa inyong likod?
Oo, hold on ha.
Ayan, patingin nga po. Naku, kasya ba sa frame? Parang medyo malaki po yata yung trophy.
Ito naman. Kasya naman.
Ay, wow.
Inihulma po sa inyo, sir? Kayo yan. Inihulma sa inyo yan.
Yeah, my
Oh,
shot. What they call the elegant shot.
elegant shot. Opo, ang galing. Opo, sir, congratulations and we're happy to see you again po, no? El Presidente, maraming
salamat po, Sir Mon.
Maraming salamat, Angel, for this opportunity, and Xander, no? God bless you all.
Opo,
God bless
you.
po, Sir Mon. Bye-bye.
Maraming
Bye-bye.
salamat po. The one and only El Presidente, Ramon Mon Fernandez. Isa po sa mga kumbaga pinakamaraming awards po no sa PBA. 6'5".
Ang tangkad, ano?
Sabi niya 6'4" lang ako, tapos naging 6'5".
Pwede pa pala yung tumangkad.
Oh, grabe no.
Pero
6'5".
nakakalungkot, ano? Kasi yung mga...
Itong nangyaring,
Oo, alam mo
ano,
tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo sa basketball.
Sabi nga ni Catriona Gray,